Hi honeybees! Today is a super exciting video. I am doing my very first luxury bag unboxing, specifically Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited that I'm literally sweating. This is a day that I have been excited for many years. I wanted to get my very first Louis Vuitton for so long, and I've borrowed Louis Vuittons from family members before and was absolutely obsessed with them. I'm not gonna lie, I've even had a knockoff before that was very good quality. I love it to pieces. I still use it now, but I've never had my very own luxury high-end handbag like this. Now, I've always taken really good care of my things. I've always had luxury, like nice, I wouldn't consider them luxury, but very nice high-end bags like Michael Kors, Coach, Prada. I guess Prada is luxury more so, but mostly like Coach and Michael Kors kind of bags, and Kate Spade. Love them. They're great quality bags, and because I take such good care of them, they've lasted me years and years. They look brand new still. So for that reason, I wasn't scared to get my very first luxury handbag because I know I will take such good care of it. A couple years back, as you guys know, I got in a car accident, and prior to that, I had saved up to buy my very first Louis Vuitton on my 30th birthday. Unfortunately, because of the accident and because I couldn't work for 6 months, I ended up having to use that savings towards adult things like my mortgage and paying my bills. So I wasn't able to purchase my very first one. And then I went to Paris for the very first time last year, and I wanted to purchase mine there because I wanted to say made in Paris on the inside, but it just wasn't right timing financially. And this past weekend, my amazing friends, bridesmaids, maid of honor, Kristen Game, my mom, we all went to my very first bridal try-on, like bridal dress try-on. It was so amazing, such an amazing experience. I don't know how many times I can say amazing. It was incredible, and I can link that vlog down below if you missed it. But then I did end up going to Scottsdale Fashion Square with a few of them, and initially we went into Louis Vuitton for Kristen Game. She was looking at a specific bag, like thinking about it. She didn't end up purchasing it, if you're curious. And as we were looking around, I had no idea that it was going to be my day to get my very first Louis Vuitton. But both of these items that I'm going to share with you guys today were gifted to me, and I'm not going to say by who because out of respect for them, they said they don't want me to say who it was. And so I'm not going to, but I don't want to lie to you and say that I purchased these because I didn't. They were gifted to me, but they are going to mean so much to me over the years. I will always remember that amazing weekend when I look back, and this bag is even more special to me because of that. So okay, I know you guys are like, open the box. Okay, so it came in this amazing big bag, and then of course in a box as well. Okay, look at how beautiful this is packaged. I can't even. So I actually have not worn this bag yet. I have not even unboxed it yet because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. Also, I do have another bag right here that I will unbox next with you guys. So first off, a little bit of the thought process. This bag is a little bit #basic. And I mean, I'm a basic bitch. I'm really not concerned about that. And the reason I really wanted this bag, it has been my most coveted bag for years and years now, because it's durable. It will last me for a very long time. It's a really good like everyday bag, like a daily wear bag, and that's what I really needed. It's a tote, so it makes it easy to fit a lot inside of it. So yeah, so you're probably already coming up with some guesses. Opening the box here, and here is the little dust cover bag. And it is the Neverfull MM. Now, I'm not even going to try to butcher the name of this pattern because I already have butchered it many a time. So I'm going to put the name of this pattern in the front here because I'm not even going to attempt. I did get the rose ballerine interior, which is this beautiful light pink with the pink stripes. It's so beautiful. It does come in the red interior as well, but if you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know I'm in love with pink. So of course, when this pink interior came out, I was like, I need that bag even more. Now it's been out for a hot second, but oh my gosh, this bag is so beautiful. I also loved this pattern specifically because it will wear really well because of the darker color. It will go with almost everything. I love these straps cinch in too on the sides here. So I'll do that in a second, so that you can kind of cinch in the bag to make it even smaller. This is the MM size. I almost did go with the GM, but when I put it on my body, now even though I am curvier and I could wear the GM and still look fine and not overwhelmed, but for a daily bag, and because I don't travel that much, I just thought the MM was more fitting for me for the time being. I also love that it is the darker leather for the handles, so it won't show wear as easy. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. I just love it so much. It's so beautiful. And then if you guys don't know, let me unclip this. The Neverfull does come with a little pouch like this. So if you don't want to take your whole bag to the store with you, you can just grab this. And then the little pouch does have the same color as the interior of your bag. So if it was the red interior, it would be different on the top here. But it's just like the perfect little pouch to put your cell phone in, to put your money in. It does have a little side little pouch as well. And then it's just one big little pocket here. So I just love how beautiful this pouch is, because I could literally wear it as like a little wristlet, like for date night. I don't have to bring my whole purse. It easily will fit my phone on the little side pocket here, put some money, you know, your cards or whatever, and you're ready, a lipstick, a powder, and you're ready to go. Beautiful. And then like I said, it does clip on the side of the bag, or you can obviously just have it inside the bag as well. And then it does have another interior pocket, zip pocket right on the side here. And then also on the side, there is a little key ring holder here. And there's like a little clip right here to clip closed your bag here in the middle. I was a little nervous about there not being like a closure because it's a tote, but I think it'll be totally fine. I do love that this goes over my shoulder and just fits super nice and easy on me. I just prefer to carry my bags like this over my shoulder and not cross body. There were a few other Louis Vuitton bags that I absolutely love and I'm still lusting over, but they were much more expensive and they just weren't as practical for everyday wear for me. And I needed my first Louis Vuitton to be something that I could wear every single day. Also, just to make you aware, there are no feet on the bottom of the Neverfull, so you do have to be a little bit more careful. Don't set her on the floor. You know, take good care of her. Now let me cinch in the side so you guys can kind of get a feel of how that looks too. I just cinched in one side so you can kind of see how it would be a little bit smaller, where this like little indentation is. That's how it would be. I probably never will do this to the bag because I don't want creasing in my bag. I always will probably have it nice and wide open, but I just wanted to give you guys a feel for how it can look as a smaller bag. I just love how it is open though. And I definitely think that I will be getting one of those organization things that are on Etsy for the Neverfull. Since it is such a big one pocket, things can get easily lost under there. So definitely going to do that. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I love her. Okay, moving on to the smaller bag here. And if you guys want me to do like a what's in my bag once I get my purse all organized, please let me know down below. And I know that this video, any kind of like luxury handbag openings usually get some hate. So if you love this video and you're excited, just as excited as I am for me to get my first Louis Vuitton, please give this a thumbs up, this video a thumbs up. It would really help me and make me feel happy and want to do more things like this on my channel. So here's the little box. Are you making some guesses as to what it is? Also, I am now lusting after a few of their new perfumes. Louis Vuitton has some perfumes, actually colognes for men as well. I think I have the samples inside the bag here. I'm actually wearing one of the perfumes right now and I'm in love with it. It's the Le Jour, I'm probably saying this wrong, Le Jour C'est la Vie. And it smells so fresh and a little bit floral and fresh and just really beautiful. I'm also loving the, oh gosh, I'm really gonna butcher this one. Attrape Reves. I can't say it. I'm just gonna put it right here. This one is a little bit more full-bodied, has a little bit of patchouli in it, and which I usually do not like anything with patchouli, but it really blends well on my skin. So yeah, and Chris, I gave him 2 different colognes and they smell so good on him. So yeah, anyways, just thought I'd mention that too. I think they're only sold at Louis Vuitton stores. Look how beautiful this box is. It is a pull-out drawer. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay, you can probably guess what this is now. It's a wallet. It has its own little dust cloth. And this is the Sarah wallet. Oh, it's so beautiful. It has gold hardware. The Neverfull also has gold hardware. I'm sure you guys noticed that when I held this up. Oh, this is so beautiful. So it has a pocket on the back here. And it is in the same beautiful pink, light pink coloring. It has 2 little places for cards here in the front. And then this is a really nice wide open wallet. So there are 3, 6, 9, 12 card holder slots on this side here, this side, so 12 total. And then you do have, like I said, right here, 4 more. And then there is a zipper pouch in the middle. And on the little zipper part, it says, has their little logo on the little zipper, so pretty. And it just has a lot of room, considering it's a wallet. That's it stretched out. So this is so beautiful. And then of course the stamps with it saying Louis Vuitton Paris right here. It is beautiful. It has a little snap closure. I love that you can see the pink on the sides here. And by the way, let's see, my bag I believe is made in the US. It does say made in the USA, which is totally fine. I don't really care that much about that, but just in case you were curious, both of these say made in the USA, not Paris. But one day I will go back to Paris and get a piece there. But these are so, so beautiful. I am so grateful. I'm so excited to have these pieces. And again, if you guys want me to do like a what's in my bag once I get like it all organized and pretty, let me know and I will do that soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye for now.